Good morning, my name is Gabe Zolna. As many of us that follow the events are aware, in Florida, most recently Judge Kevin J. Carroll of the Circuit Court of Leona, Florida, has clearly proven that the tentacles of the Obama and his dysfunctional administration have a stranglehold on the rule of law. Democrat Michael Volz, as an elector and as a taxpayer, under Florida law, has the absolute right to challenge Obama's eligibility to qualify for the office of the presidency. Attorney Clayman felt relieved when Judge Carrol had ruled that he would be agreeable in setting a date for a hearing. However, when Attorney Clayman provided a list of witnesses, leading off with Sheriff Joe Arpaio, followed by lead detective Mike Zulu, who heads up the cold case posse, and renowned investigator Jerome Corsi. To our surprise and astonishment, well, not really, Judge Carrol issued a brief 2.5-page order dismissing Michael Volz's complaint. As the complaint rambled on that President Obama resides in the White House, he flies around in Air Force One, he has appeared before Congress, he has appointed countless ambassadors, yeah, like the one that he appointed in Libya, you know, Christopher Stevens. The judge never took into consideration that Obama also appointed 37 czars without congressional approval, nor did the judge take into consideration that Obama attacked another foreign nation, Libya, without congressional approval. Nor did the judge take into consideration all the other numerous criminal crimes that Obama committed. One that comes clear to mind is when Obama decided to exert executive privilege. And he did that in order to protect both himself and the less than honorable Attorney General, Eric H. Holder, Jr. And that's over their failed gun-running operation, Operation Fast and Furious. You see, the reality is that a sitting president cannot bestow executive privilege on anyone else. Executive privilege is something that they can use for themselves. So in order for Obama to have done what he did, he must have been involved in the operation. Yet he said that he only heard about it on television, on a news report. Nor did he take into consideration all of the billions of dollars that Obama has wasted of taxpayers' money. As a matter of fact, Obama has wasted more money and spent more money than all of the previous presidents combined, starting with George Washington. Gives you an idea that the guy doesn't have a clue. Anyway, he also didn't take into consideration the billions of dollars that Obama has wasted on the green initiatives, on bailing out his buddies at the unions, on firing a president of General Motors when he really had no authority to do that. I mean, he's dealing into private companies. That's not what a president's supposed to do, but I guess none of that mattered. All right? The list of Obama's crimes against the American people is endless. Once again, the blindfold should be removed from Lady Justice, since Judge Carroll's dismissal of Volz's case without providing due process of the law, Judge Carroll not only violated his oath of office, but he subverted the rule of law, generally providing once again that the reach of Obama's corrupt tentacles have a stranglehold on the judicial system. Hopefully that's not necessarily true in every case. Attorney Clayman is going to file an appeal in Florida on behalf of citizen Michael Volz. There is still some hope. One of those areas that might change the direction of this country is in Alabama. Chief Justice Moore has been appointed as Chief Justice, and the good news is that he's a dyed-in-the-wool constitutionalist. And he's going to try to look into and make a determination based on Obama's eligibility in regard to the natural born clause. What we do know is that Obama's father, according to Obama, was Barack Sr. and Barack Sr. is a British subject, and based on the British Act of 1948, any offspring of a British subject is themselves a British subject. That being the case, President Obama is not eligible to be in the Oval Office. That will be up to Judge Moore to rule. Also in California, attorney Early Tates has filed and been given a hearing that the evidence that Obama presented to be eligible for being in the Oval Office is nothing more than a fabrication of lies and forged documents. So if the California judge agrees, then Obama will be removed from office. Similarly, if Judge Moore in Alabama agrees that Obama was not eligible, he will also be removed from office. We haven't given up hope yet. There's still a chance to save this country. If Obama is not removed from office, I believe that he will continue doing what he's doing in Syria until the Syrian president, President Assad, is removed from office. And once that happens, Obama will make certain that the Brotherhood takes control of Syria, and Syria, similar to Libya, will fall under what? Sharia law. The next country to fall, I think, will be Jordan. And once Jordan falls under Sharia law, Obama will be able to focus his efforts where? Right here. We need to make certain that he is removed from office and that he is tried and punished for his multitude of crimes against who? Against the American people. At the same time, we need to overhaul our Congress. They have done nothing to protect us. Chief justices don't do anything to protect us, and nor has our Speaker of the House. The Speaker of the House, the first thing that he should do is defund Obamacare. He has not done that. The second thing that he should do is that he should begin impeachment proceedings against Obama. They won't go anywhere. The reason they won't go anywhere is because the Senate holds the trial, but it'll send a strong signal of dissatisfaction. None of that's being done. Our Congress is totally and completely worthless. Well, let's take one step at a time. Let's first get rid of him and then deal with Congress. Thanks.